Adventurators, what can we grow in the garden? Hello, adventurators. Gardening can be relaxing and fun. Come with us and let's plant some vegetables. Here are a few tools we need to get started: gardening gloves, soil, rake, boots, seeds, and a water can. Hello, my name is Thomas, and we are going to plant some tomatoes, corn, broccoli, and carrots. Let's start by getting our seeds. First, let's dig our holes. Next, let's plant our seeds. Cover your seeds with dirt. Now it's time to water our seeds. It's going to take time for our seeds to grow. We must wait. 10 days have passed. Look what's growing. More time has passed, and now our vegetables have grown. Harvest time, let's eat. You too can grow a garden. Take a look at ours. The end. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.